So we're finally back to work, and we had a gourmet meal for lunch, right?
Woo! Check it out.
Well, maybe not really. But anyway, we'll talk a little bit more about that coming up.
Right after this. Hi everybody, I'm Judy.
And I'm Jim, and welcome to It's a Highway Vlog, where you get to travel the country with us, and you don't even have to leave that chef's apron at the house.
So while you're cooking up those gourmet meals,
Don't forget to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, hit that button somewhere, and don't forget to ring
that notification bell.
so you don't miss a thing.
At least not today.
Well, hey there. Good afternoon. It is Tuesday afternoon. I've been informed by my lovely wife that it's Tuesday and not Monday. It feels like a Monday because we are back out on the road and working, right?
Yep. Nope.
Yes. I've worked so far. Somebody hasn't done anything yet.
Yep. I haven't done anything. Oh, well, no, wait. I went into the shipper, so you're not, it's not a true statement. Not a true statement.
Not a true statement, yeah. Well, anyway, we woke up this morning. We sort of hurried up and got everything we needed done. And we took off to the shipper because sometimes it can be the back roads. It's sort of a back road, 2-lane highway in some places, lots of stoplights. And so we left a little early, hoping...
You still got there within an hour, though.
Well, that's the thing. Normally, we would have arrived right on time, but this morning there was absolutely no traffic, none.
Well, you did get the traffic you got was stoplights.
Stoplights.
It's like, when you were on the back roads and the stoplights, you were hitting every single one of them
But
almost.
I wasn't having to wait for 30 cars to pull out ahead of me either.
Yeah.
I was usually the first one in the light. So I don't know.
And I did take some videos when we got on the turnpike this afternoon.
You know, all those videos that you've just seen, that's us and traffic and lack of it. Because we were on what is it, US 322 for a while, and then we got out on the Pennsylvania Turnpike, and now we are sitting somewhere in northern Pennsylvania at a truck stop. So yeah, somewhere, and we're headed somewhere. So
we're here and we're headed there. How's that? We're here and we're headed there.
We are headed westerly, not out west, but we're headed westerly, further west than we are now, further west than Ohio. So,
yeah.
So we unloaded in the morning and everything, but you had, like, this is the first time we've experienced this morning, and what was your little newness?
Oh no, well I guess it was just newness. I went up and had to, I walked up to the door not knowing what any procedures are right now for anybody, because it seems like everything is just kind of thrown out to the wind, because we don't, some of the customers we've been to quite often and don't know the procedures, but or know the procedures, but now they've changed the procedures a little bit due to everything that's going on. Anyway,
catch all that? I didn't.
When I walked up to the door, and there was a list on the door that just said, if you've been out of the country in the past whatever time, if you've been in contact with anybody, if you're running a fever or showing any symptoms, basically said we don't want you here.
Go away.
But the guys are really nice out on the dock, and
yeah.
I asked them, I said, do you want us on the dock? No. And they didn't say it no like that. They were just like, well, really, it doesn't matter. We can do it one way or the other. And then they said, well, you know what? With all this going on, he's probably just better off. Why don't we it was just one skid, throw it on the truck. And then Jim jumped up and secured it, and we signed paperwork, and
see that? Yeah.
They used their pen, we used our pen, and got the paperwork under control. But
sprayed the paperwork down afterwards in the clipboard.
Yeah.
And I don't think that I didn't really have to touch the freight inside the truck, so it just put straps on it and load bars. Now I don't know what to do about that. So
yeah.
I guess we'll have to try to disinfect ourselves as best we can. Did that before we got in the truck, disinfected ourselves really well, and now we're here. We just we fixed lunch.
Yes, we did. Well, I was going to say something a little bit more about the disinfecting. I don't know if we've talked about that, where we, before we get out of the truck, we put on our hand sanitizer and or wash our hands, whichever way it goes. And then when we, take a paper towel or use hand sanitizer, sanitize our hands when we ring the buzzards, because you got to ring the buzzers. And, when you get to thinking about all this, it just kind of drives you crazy.
It took me a half an hour yesterday when we took the food into the truck, to clean all the food off. I sanitized all the packaging, everything that the packaging was setting on, threw all the bags away, sanitized my hands again, put all the food away. So, it's like a process. It just adds, time to your life.
And the funny thing is, Jim and I have always said, if we think too much about stuff, we would drive ourselves insane. This was before all this happened. If you think too much about how many hands have touched this, or how many, all the germs flying around and stuff, you could drive yourself crazy. Well, guess what? We have now a time in our life where we are having to think about every little germ that's out there. It's
not fun, because we are not germaphobes by any means.
You were talking about we might create a germaphobe society the way that we're going.
Well, sort of wondering about that. I know,
which is not all bad, it's not.
I have people that I know that are very germophobic, and it's just got to be driving them crazy. But Judy and I never have been.
They're the ones who are home, who are not moving.
The ones
anywhere.
that are not moving, not running, or doing anything. But we're out. We are going to stay out for the foreseeable future, as far as we can, as long as they'll let us, or they tell us to go home.
And as much as we're trying to stay out of stuff, our hope and prayers are that we stay well and healthy, and that everybody else is trying their best to keep this stuff away. It's tough. It's hard work. We should get paid for it. Yeah. It's tough, hard work.
So who made lunch today?
Oh, you did, while I was inside getting my ice.
And let me tell you what a lunch it is. Baked beans.
Chef Jim, listen to this.
Baked beans and tuna fish salad. That's what we had for lunch today. I can cook out of a can, let me tell you, like no other. And that's...
Didn't microwave the tuna fish, but did microwave the baked beans.
I did. I microwaved the baked beans, which I consider an extra step that I'm not for sure is absolutely necessary.
Nah, not with baked beans.
But they were good. Right out of a can, Bush's baked beans.
Gluten-free.
Gluten-free.
Which you just figured out, which is kind of a little...
It's sort of sad because I absolutely love beans, and, you know, I would be happy with just eating those. Judy wouldn't, but I would be okay.
And for the record, we may have to open up the back windows.
Yeah.
Or I may have to open the front ones.
It's been a while since I've had some beans, but I'm telling you, I can eat a whole can of those things.
TMI.
Again. Thank you. The TMI channel right here. But anyway, oh yeah, hey, go find our Instagram and subscribe to that. I haven't put any new pictures out there, but just, you know,
I took one today.
Something else to do. I probably put some out here in a little bit.
Yeah. By the way, don't shoot the videographer because it was, you know, whatever.
It was cute though.
Jim has the editing capabilities to get rid of all of it.
You know, the thing is, she took pictures that on her phone, I'm pretty sure she has these same pictures, about 70 of them over time, because there's one section of the turnpike that has like these stone farmhouses. Every time I go past there, oh, look at the stone farmhouse, it's so pretty.
But usually I'm driving, so we don't get a picture.
That's true. She was not driving today.
Normally when we come off the east, I'm usually the one driving.
Yeah, it's odd. This is one of those loads where we didn't have to drive for so long, and we're just okay with everything.
And everybody's spring has sprung.
Yes.
The tulip trees were beautiful, and whatever the white...
Probably flowering crab apples.
There you go.
I don't know if the dogwoods are out yet.
Yeah, one or the other. They were white. They were really pretty.
They were pretty. And along with those comes the the sniffly, sneezy allergy. Is this, you know, the bad thing that I have now? Wandering disease that we are both afflicted with now, because we sort of both got the sniffles, but all the trees are out. I mean, like, I don't think they were flowered out like 3 days ago.
No,
now,
they weren't.
all of a sudden,
when we came back Friday, there were not that many trees out.
Yeah, and this morning it looked like, you know, some places looked like it had snowed on the trees.
I think it's because of that 65-degree weather last week.
So.
It just weren't, you know, not that way now, but it's like 50 out, I think.
Yeah, it's not a bad day. It's sort of bands of sunny sky and pretty blue clouds and white clouds and whatever else.
And the grass is green.
Yeah. Not too thrilled about that.
Yeah, because that means it's growing, and it's going to have to be cut.
It's going to need to be cut soon, yes. But anyway, that's what we're doing with our wonderful day. Judy's taking over. She's going to drive for a while. I don't think I'll have to drive too much tonight.
Again. Still not working.
We'll
I guess you worked this morning.
Yeah, I did work this morning. Thank you.
And you did make lunch.
Yes, I did. It should count, right? Of course.
Yep, and the lunch will actually last us a couple. Well,
was the lunch okay?
Yeah, I guess. I know. You had to mix so many ingredients together to get it to just be perfect.
I literally had to cut up onions.
Yes, because there were none left.
My eyes were tearing up. I mean, I know you all feel so horrible for me and my teary eyes from the onions. And I actually had to open a jar of pickle relish.
Oh my.
And spoon it out. Plus, I had to clean up all the cans. I had to clean out containers.
He's cleaned out the containers from his sloppy. The empty containers from the sloppy joes. Yeah. And that were in the refrigerator.
So needless to say, I wore out. And probably going to go to bed soon. In fact, I don't even know if you guys will get a vlog today. I'm beat. After, you know, not working.
All that work for lunch.
All weekend.
For a 5-minute inhale.
It was good, though.
Yes.
I was happy with it. I don't know if she was, but I was happy. I could eat that every day. I'd be fine.
Yeah. We're trying to eat better.
Yes.
Which means we do not eat the entire can of beans or the entire can of tuna.
There are containers in the refrigerator with stuff.
Are there like quarter of the way full?
I'm not going to guarantee it'll last. It may not.
No, somewhere down the highway.
One thing, we looked for Spam yesterday at Walmart. Yes. And they did not have any regular Spam, but they did have jalapeno Spam. And
was it jalapeno?
It was jalapeno Spam.
Oh my goodness. I saw from a distance.
I just don't think that's not right. There's something wrong with that.
Well, there was something about the pinto beans too, because we saw the pinto beans first. Because we didn't think the baked
we
beans
did
were
actually get a
gluten-free.
can of those.
Yes, we did, because I thought they would be good.
Because they're beans with jalapenos in them.
Yeah.
Does that?
Yeah.
Well,
I would.
Okay. You would. So anyway, that's our trip through our gourmet cooking here on the truck.
Yeah, and Petro on her Healthier Cooking on the Truck Facebook
She
page
would not
did
be
not
impressed.
get a picture of that, because I don't think she'd probably post that as her dinner of the month or her.
You never
whatever,
know.
her
Beans and
highlight
tuna.
picture or whatever.
I think it's got a lot going for it. I mean, you get the protein in the beans, you get the vegetables and the onions and the pickles, and you
Where are
get
the vegetables?
meat and the fish. I mean, obviously, and well, truthfully, well, no, I can't say that. Those beans are chock full of carbohydrates.
Yeah.
So there's nothing healthy about it, really.
No, especially when they were baked beans and they were probably brown sugar and something beans. I don't know what it
Technically, I ate my vegetables. I ate the onions today, and the cucumbers and the pickles. So I think I'm good.
was. Cucumbers. Oh dear me.
Stay tuned tomorrow while we talk about something else that Jim dreamed up out of his head. What are we going to have tomorrow? What do we got back there? Probably Sloppy Joe's.
Yes. I don't know if there's any of that left.
I'll make some.
Yeah, we have to.
Oh, we have to make our brown Sloppy Joe.
Yeah. Oh, that's true. That's true. Brown sloppy Joe that to some people looks like.
Brown Sloppy Joe.
Yeah, there you go.
Or gray. So anyway.
Whatever you want to call it.
Enough goofiness for today.
Babbling on and on and on.
So we will let you all get on with your day, and we'll get on with ours. Everybody be safe. Avoid everybody you see.
Oh, and I haven't said this, but I really do feel bad for those people who are missing March Madness and all the sports.
Yeah. That should be going on right now.
This is an entertainment time for sports, and it's not happening. And I know how hard that can be. I'm glad that everybody is going to be staying healthy and safe by not going to the games, and the players by not being around each other. But
so I think what we should do is create our own little bracket with Jim's Gourmet Creations, and just let them.
Fight it out.
My money's on the tuna fish. Maybe the Sloppy Joe. That
Which
could be.
bracket?
That could be
Tuna fish, sloppy joes.
What's the final four?
Yeah, I don't know. What was the final four?
Quick, easy foods. So anyway, are we done?
I think we're
Alrighty, I know we're done. Hey, so if you like stuff like this, or even if you don't, hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the
notification bell.
so you don't miss anything. And we'll see you all in the next video.
So long, everybody.
Good night.